What's going on, you guys? West End Food Reviews back with a brand new video today. I got another Taco Bell item. Today we got the spicy chicken chalupa. So this thing's great and all, it's mighty. Just look at this damn thing right here. Basically, it's like a soft shell with cheese melted in the middle with a nacho, spicy nacho shell inside. So take a big wolf of this bad boy. Now, oh yeah. So it's nice and soft with a good flavor, like a flatbread, but with the crunch and cheesy flavor of that nacho. This is by far my favorite Taco Bell food item I've ever had. This is so good. I also replaced the beef with chicken because chicken is like my favorite, and it is killer. Oh my god. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and if you did, definitely hit that like button. I'm going to be trying to give away this to you guys. I'm going to try to be giving away everything, like I said in my previous video. So, like, comment, subscribe, bitches.